Good afternoon, guys. This is Neil with you with Mason Auto Sales LLC in Cortland, Ohio. Today is the 21st of December 2022. Happy holidays in advance to everybody. Today I bring you this 2005 Chevy Tahoe 4x4 with a 5.3 liter V8. This is a special services vehicle. It was a government vehicle out of Virginia. I'm gonna do an exterior walk around, show you guys the exterior, and then we go on the inside. We just got this delivered, rust free, very clean, safety inspected until July 2023. No leaks, no issues at all. A little fading on the hood from sun exposure. Other than that, I don't see anything major that needs to be brought up to you guys. Wheel wells, the tires are matching. Probably say about 85 to 90% tread on them. Very clean. You got minor scratches, and scuffs like that related, to work, but the capacity was used. But other than that, nothing major. Close this here. It does not have a tow hitch, so you don't have to worry about it being used to tow anything. You could get a tow hitch and put it on there. It does have a factory spare that was never used, brand new. You can see the tire tread is almost 100%. So the rear bumper is in good shape. Out of Virginia vehicles, usually, aside from sun exposure, the paint might be peeling here and there. It's usually they're good. So it does have the roof racks, matching tires. It runs great. The vehicle is running. It's been running for about 2 hours. I just finished detailing it. It's about 25 degrees here, so bear with me. It's very cold. I did not detail it from the outside. The paint, that's how we got it. So, and I can tell you, this vehicle is very clean. If you're looking for a nice running Tahoe, I would highly recommend looking into this one. It's very quiet. It's got just over 230,000 miles, but don't let the mileage scare you. It's fleet maintained. It's been taken care of, just retired. Let's do a walk around. Let's show you guys the interior. I'm sorry. I'm trying to fight this cold weather here. Anyway, so these commercial Tahoes, they come with a heavy-duty rubber floor, which is a blessing. You don't need any floor mats. There's no rips or tears. Very clean. Cloth seats are almost brand new. Headliner, heat works, everything works inside. You got this in the middle here. It is cracked. It does open up for storage. And it does have the 2 cup holders there. The cigarette plug is still in there, so you could tell right away nobody smoked in this vehicle, and it's very clean. There's no odors, there's no smell. Dashboard is nice. It does have an airbag light on. I was told it was a sensor. The odometer is 230,922 miles. I wouldn't be afraid of driving this car anywhere. Seriously, I mean, I've bought several vehicles from this agency, and they really take care of them. The main thing is rust. You don't have to worry about that. Floor is very clean. Everything works as far as the lights, electronics. It did have some emergency lights, nothing major. I will show you guys in the back where the equipment is still attached to it. And it does have the wheel-in. Everything's connected still, so in good shape. When you purchase, these law enforcement or government units, you gotta make sure that the wires are not exposed. They do have a wire here that was connected to some kind of emergency lights, I believe. It is missing the plastic panel in the rear here. But you could get that and just put it in there. It's very cheap and readily available. Very, very clean. Glass seats. Power doors, power windows, all work. You got power driver's seat, also works. Like I said, if you're looking for a nice Tahoe, look me up. My number is 330-333-5931. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. As far as pricing and everything, you can visit our website, Mason Auto Sales LLC, located in Cortland, Ohio. I'll be posting this video on YouTube along with the description on the bottom with the link to my website. So the top rails are, from sun exposure, are a little rusted, but that's could be touched up and stuff like that. Other than this, guys, I hope you like this video. This is my second Tahoe in the last couple of months that I've sold. I like these special services Tahoes. They're very hard to come by as clean as this one. The reason I bought this one, even though it has over 200,000 miles, is because it's clean and I know where it came from, the agency that owned it, from my experience with them. Like I said, my name is Neil. Number 330-333-5931. Give me a call, let me know. I'm going to show you guys the engine bay right now. I'm going to pause it for a second. Alright guys, back with you here. The engine compartment is very, very clean. It is running. It hums very quiet. No leaks. Fluids are in good shape. The 5.3. So, if you have any questions, like I said, you can reach me at 330-333-5931. I hope you guys like this video. Until the next one, in advance, happy holidays and happy New Year's to everyone that watches my channel and follows me. Be safe, and I'll see you guys later. God bless.